Welcome to Modular Classroom. In today's video, we will see how to execute or process a running total in Excel. That is, do you want Excel to automatically keep adding values for you? Whether it may be an employee salary, student mark statement, expenses or sales reports, running total will help you by providing it's one of the excellent feature. So there are two easy methods to create a running total in Excel by using a formula method, and another one is by using a quick analysis tool method. Now let's begin. So what does a running total means? It is a continuously updated total that keeps increasing whenever new values are added. Simply to say, Excel automatically adds the current value to the previous total. It may be also called as a cumulative total. So main purpose of running total is to track the progress and monitor cumulative values easily. They mainly used for employee salary calculation, company expense tracking, student marks analysis, sales reports, attendance records, daily income tracking, budget analysis, financial reporting, etc. So instead of manually adding numbers every time, Excel updates the total instantly. This saves time, it reduces the calculation mistakes and makes data analysis more easier and faster. Now let's see how to execute this running total in two methods. For that, I'm having a Excel file with a sample data here with this column heading as employee name, salary, and the running total. Uh, by using the first method, by using the formula, for this I'm keeping in the cell C2 and typing the formula as equal to sum of dollar symbol B $2 is to the cell B2. So I'm typing like this and I'm giving enter. So this $2, $B, $2 denotes it is the starting cell. The dollar symbol fixes the starting point. The second cell in this B2 will automatically changes when it is being dragged down. So Excel keeps expanding the range and continuously adds the salaries together. Now move your mouse to this bottom right corner of the cell. When the small plus symbol appears, just drag it downward. This is the result of your first method. You're getting this running method as the cumulative sum by using this formula method. Now we will move on to the second method by using the quick analysis tool. Now select the data, that is select the salary column. After selecting the data, look at the bottom right corner. You will see this small quick analysis icon. Just click on it. Now Excel shows different categories like formatting, chart, total, table, spark lines, etc. Now for that, explore the total options. Click on totals. You can see sum, average, count, percentage of total, running total towards the rows, sum, and running total towards horizontally, column wise. Now instantly generates this cumulative total without typing formulas manually. So method 1, that's it. By using this quick analysis tool, easily you can get the cumulative total as the running total over here. Method 1 uses the formulas, giving more control, and it is useful for learning Excel formulas, while the method 2, by using quick analysis, it is faster and easier. So that by using this running total method, you can apply for payroll management, business sales, monthly expenses, student progress tracking, etc. So today we have learned two easy ways to create running totals in Excel by using the sum formula and by using quick analysis. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.